Hey friends, TUXX here. For today's video, I want to talk a little bit about home security, okay? It's something which is, of course, on everyone's mind, and if you travel a lot, like we do, we like to keep an eye on the pets too, So even if you have someone coming over to feed the birds or the cat or the dog or whatever, it's nice to just have a way of looking at it whenever, and that's where this product comes in. This is a great little camera that's available on Amazon, okay? I will have a link for this bad boy right below, so be sure and click that link to get yours at the very best price, okay? Now this comes in a beautiful, very giftable looking box that looks really nice. White, we have a picture of the camera, looks good. On the side here we got some features, applications like pet monitoring, oh yes, indoor security, always good to know that, and of course baby monitoring. It might be good for like a baby's room or something too, and there's all sorts of other features here. It's a 2K resolution. I want to talk about that for a second. That sometimes you might think, oh, 4K or even 8K or something. When dealing with phone communications, especially security cameras, you want a fast, good connection, okay? And 2K is perfectly fine for watching like pets, that kind of thing. It's better than fine. It'll get you a quick connection. It'll be a good frame rate. It helps a lot. So 2K is awesome to me. On-device pet detection, that's very interesting. So there's a little bit of a motion detector there. It'll say like motion in blank room or whatever. On-device person detection, that's cool. App control, instant notifications, camera alarm, that's interesting. Magic pics, motion tracking of people, two-way audio so you can talk to your kitty cat or your dog, very good. Cloud storage, private mode, and activity zone, okay? So very good stuff. Now, the first thing we're greeted in the box here is a little instruction booklet. I'm not going to go through every page, but just to show you, it's good. It shows instructions for, how to mount it, different placements of it, maybe a bookcase, maybe on a little table. You can put it wherever you want, It talks about downloading the app, which is great. It talks about binding the camera, everything you need to get started in this 2.4, gigahertz camera, okay? We'll put this down here for you, and we'll go ahead and pull out. Let's see here. Maybe this slides out. Oh, there's all sorts of boxes here. All right, cool. This is the accessory box, I'm guessing. Let's take a look and see what we have in the accessory box. Oh, wow, they give you a lot of stuff. Very nice. Okay, first off, I really appreciate ones that come with everything you need. It's like an all-inclusive kit. So this one even includes like screws and drywall mounts, like anchors. So that's really cool. That'll save you a few bucks, actually. So very cool they include that. Also inside the box here, let's check it out. We have a new cable. You guys know I love new cables with new devices. This has a really nice rubbery grip. This feels like a nice quality cable. USB to USB-C. Okay, so I'm sure you have some of these cables all over the house or whatever. Here, I'll get this out of the way. But it's just nice that you actually have an extra cable. So really nice. And this is a really nice rubbery filling cable. It feels thicker. It's just a little better, like a little bit of an upgrade cable. So very nice, and it looks like it's a good length as well. So yeah, plenty of room there. Of course, if you need to order a additional longer cable, it's USB-C, so you can use whatever cable you like. But it's nice to include it, I'm all about that. Also included in the box here is a nice little plug. This is a USB plug, so this here would plug into here, just like that. Very simple. I'm sure you know how to do that, okay? And then this one here plugs into the camera. So to the wall, to the camera, okay? Excellent. If you want, you could actually plug this into like a laptop, a power strip. You don't have to use this, but it's really nice to include a plug. So I'm all about that. That's excellent. Also included here in the box, looks like we have the actual wall adapter. Let me pull out everything. Looks like there's a little map for drilling holes, so that's very cool. That could help you out if you're going to anchor this bad boy here, on drywall. So this right here has like the little sheet. You can put this against the wall, drill your two little holes, as you can see. So very cool. They really thought of everything you need to kind of get this camera mounted, which is fantastic. Now the most important part here, guys. Check it out. Here is the camera. Let me go ahead and pull this out. There we go. We'll put this to the side here. And then here is our little camera. I'm going to pull it off. Wow, this looks high tech. This looks cool. Let me pull this off here. There we go. I'm going to pull off the little safety plastic off the lens. And wow, that looks like some kind of like a space android or something. Very cool. Of course, on the bottom here, you can see this is where you go ahead and click this in. So if you're going to mount it on a wall, you'd, drill, make your drill holes. And this part here just kind of goes into this. Let's see, kind of like that. and then it just turns, you know, so just like that, and then it's secure on the wall. I'm gonna leave this off right now because I don't want to lose this part, but anyway, just know that is how that works. It just turns, piece of cake, and that's a good looking camera, guys. You know, I want to go ahead and I'm gonna download the app, and we're gonna check this out a little bit further, but so far, very impressed. Now, installing the app really couldn't be any easier. You just take the QR code here from the booklet, or you can look it up either on Apple or Google. Go down here, it's going to find the link. I'm going to click that, and it goes right to the actual install. So very easy. We're going to go ahead and hit install. It's going to take a couple seconds and install the app, and we'll be right back. Now, plugging in the device is very simple. We just take our USB-C, and we just plug it right into the back there, just like that. There we go. So after you download the software and connect your device to your phone, it's really simple. You can ask for your Wi-Fi password so you can connect via Wi-Fi when you're not home. I would trust that. Just use it while you're using the device, you know. All right, live demo time. So we have the camera hooked up here via Wi-Fi. It's plugged in. And over here we have Moogie of K-On! Fame, a little Figma against some black background. On the phone here, you can see there is Moogie. So very good. There is a control over here, so you can make it go left or right. You can pinch zoom, which is really nice. In case there's a pet you want to try and zoom in on. Very good. And it's very easy to take care of. Now, if you want to record something, you can even do button right there, but you can actually record it for a short time too if you're interested, or take a snapshot. We'll click that, and now take an image. It saved it to the phone, so it's saving the live things to the phone. So if you are away, if someone's in your house or whatever, you can have a picture saved to your phone to show the police. So that's actually really good. I love the way you can save a picture for security reasons to your actual device, not something in the cloud or at home. Although with the premium features, there are cloud saves and things like that too. So that's it, guys. Very cool, very simple, easy to use. There's a push to talk button. There's a little speaker X, speaker off button, speaker on button. I don't want to have feedback by talking to myself and having it play through, but very cool stuff. And of course, you can actually, if you want, you can go up or go down. Now, again, for privacy reasons, I'm not going to show the whole room here, but trust me, it does go like left and right. You can actually do a lot of range here, and you can actually get a good portion of the whole room with this little joystick right there. So very cool. You have the option of spinning the camera around and seeing a lot more of the room. Okay, to recap, this GoldSpark, GoldSpark camera model X11 is available on Amazon. So it's a great value, and honestly, it will make you enjoy your time away from home, your vacation, that much more, because you can check in on your house, your pets, whatever you want to check in on. Attractive camera, full featured, lots of great features for free. There's a premium upgrade version if you want, not real expensive, but it's an option for you for the software that goes with it for cloud saves and so much more. But if you guys have any questions about this device, please reach out to me, tuxtoys@gmail.com, okay? Thanks for watching, friends. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Click the link.